Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today I am making a Valentine's Day card, and this die I am using from Alina Craft store. It says "You light up my life," I believe. So I'm just going to do just a slight paper piecing of this light bulb, and I'm going to use this for the little heart in the middle. It's some Recollections embossing powder. It's like a glitter tinsel. And I use embossing watermark stamp pad from Versamark for that. And just some pattern paper in these two colors. It's pink Paislee. I got it from Michael's. It was a hot buy. I think it's called Memorandum or something. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use some dies from my stash to layer it. And that's about it. So sit back and enjoy the process. Okay, here's the finished card. It turned out really pretty. I think it's cute. Here's the inside. Didn't do much to it, but I think it's really nice. Could be for a woman or a man. So thank you for joining me today. I will include some pictures at the end so you can get a closer look. Take care and have a fabulous day.